Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee jelly ice candy. First, gather your ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, gelatin, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and water. You will also need ice candy bags. This guide makes about 10 to 12 servings, perfect for sharing. We will start by preparing the rich coffee jelly, then mix the creamy base, and finally freeze our delicious treats. To begin, dissolve 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in 2 cups of hot water. Stir in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin until everything is completely dissolved. Pour this mixture into a shallow dish, allowing it to cool to room temperature before refrigerating. Let it chill for at least 2 hours, or until firm. Once set, carefully dice the coffee jelly into small, 1/2-inch cubes. Next, let's prepare our creamy base. In a large bowl, combine 1 can of condensed milk with 1 can of evaporated milk. Stir these together until well blended. Then, add 1 cup of water to achieve the perfect consistency for your ice candy. Finally, gently fold in all of your diced coffee jelly cubes. Make sure the jelly is evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture for a delightful bite in every treat. Now for the final step. Carefully pour your coffee jelly mixture into individual ice candy bags, filling each one about 3/4 full. Securely tie each bag to prevent any leakage while freezing. Place them in your freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours or until completely solid. Once frozen, simply snip open a bag and enjoy your homemade coffee jelly ice candy. It's a wonderfully refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.